Are you a fan of bubblegum? Do you love the chewy, flavorful experience? Well, have you ever wondered how this tasty treat is made? Today, we're taking you behind the scenes to show you the process of making bubblegum. From the key ingredients to mixing and shaping, we'll cover every step in a way that's easy to follow. Bubblegum has a history that spans over a century, so get ready to learn something new and gain a newfound appreciation for this sweet treat. Whether you're a bubblegum fan or just curious about how it's made, this video is for you. So sit back, relax, and let's explore how bubblegum is made. Let's start with the basics. The ingredients. Bubblegum has four main parts: gum base, sugar, corn syrup, and flavorings. The gum base is the foundation, made from various materials like rubber, wax, and resins. These are mixed to form a flexible substance that holds flavor and sweetness. Next is sugar, making up around 40% of the gum's weight. Corn syrup is crucial for binding the gum base and sugar, giving texture and preventing stickiness. Finally, we have flavorings, like strawberry or watermelon, added to the mixture for the distinct taste. Now, let's see how these ingredients come together. After assembly, the mixing and kneading start. The gum base is melted, sugar and corn syrup are added, and they're mixed until a sticky, uniform mass forms. The gum then moves to a kneading machine, where it's stretched and pulled to become a smooth dough. This step is crucial for the right chewing consistency. Too little kneading results in hard gum, and too much leads to a soft, sticky mess. To ensure the gum is just right, it's tested by hand. Makers check texture, elasticity, and flavor. Once satisfied, it's time for the next step. With the perfect texture, it's time to add flavors and colors. The gum base moves to a machine where flavorings and colors are mixed. Natural or artificial flavors are chosen carefully for the gum's taste. Food-grade dyes give the desired color. Bright colors make bubblegum more appealing. After adding flavors and colors, the gum goes through rolling machines. These flatten it into thin sheets, then it's cut into various shapes. Some gums are balls, others sticks or strips. Now shaped and cut, the gum is wrapped in wax paper or foil to keep it fresh and protect it from moisture. And that's it! From mixing and kneading to shaping and cutting, we've shown you how bubblegum is made from start to finish. Now it's time to enjoy the sweet, satisfying taste of bubblegum. Wrapping and packaging are crucial steps. They protect the gum, maintaining its flavor and freshness. Let's take a closer look at this process. First, individual pieces are wrapped in wax paper or foil to prevent sticking and protect from moisture. Machines wrap thousands of pieces per hour, ensuring even, tight wrapping. Once wrapped, it's time to package for sale. Blister packs, jars, and bags are common. Bright, appealing packaging with fun designs attracts consumers, especially children. Collectible tins with various designs are also popular. Before sale, a final quality control check ensures the gum meets safety and quality standards. Manufacturers also focus on sustainability, using recycled materials and minimizing packaging. In conclusion, wrapping and packaging are vital. They protect the gum and maintain its quality. Every detail, from automated wrapping to eye-catching designs, is considered for the best consumer experience. With a commitment to quality and sustainability, the bubblegum industry continues to evolve. Now you know how bubblegum is made. We hope you found it fascinating. From ingredient selection to packaging, every step is crucial. Behind every piece of bubblegum is a team of professionals, from scientists to production workers. Making bubblegum is a team effort that requires skill, knowledge, and attention to detail. So, when you unwrap a piece, take a moment to appreciate the hard work behind it. It's not just a treat, it's a testament to human ingenuity and modern technology. If you found this exploration interesting, feel free to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insights into the processes that shape our daily lives. Thank you for joining us on this journey.